Hi guys, today's pour is a bit of fun where we're going to do a Beauty Pie versus Tea series pour. So it's going to be a flip cup, and I have all of my paints, the colours of Tea series and Beauty Pie, all mixed up in equal parts. So this should be a fun experiment. Hi and welcome to my channel with Bade, where you will see arts, tips and tricks. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Alright, so my plan is to pour definitely equal parts, and hopefully this will determine the outcome of who the winner will be. I know there's a lot of talk about the Tea series and Beauty Pie channels, and I thought we would just give our 2 cents worth. Let's just see. I think that what I'm going to do is the outer, whatever colour comes on the outer side of this flip cup will then determine the winner. So in no particular order, I will just be adding the colours. So all I have here is paint mixed with water. There's no pouring medium, no silicone. Put a little bit of more water, more white in here so that it can, to some degree, separate some of the colours, because we don't want them mixing. We're trying to avoid letting them mix. And then Tea series, more blue. I think it would be really funny if whatever this flip cup determines as the winner, if that channel actually will be the winner. So again, bit of fun. Let's just see. I know there's a lot of white in there. I'm going to add a bit more white on the top. But it's pretty much equal parts. Right. And for now I'm just going to move these out of the way. I'm just using an old canvas which I've gessoed. Might be too much paint. Comment below if any of you are following the Tea series competition against PewDiePie, or really the other way around. Oh, that's a lot of paint. So I did say that whatever colour comes out on the outer would determine the winner. And as you can see, I haven't actually moved the paint around much. Maybe there's going to be a tie. Maybe They'll both be winners. Because as you can see, the blue and the blue, well, there's a lot of blue here, but there's also the red. I don't know, you guys comment below, what do you think? So this has actually turned out really well. It has a lot of cells, which I think is really my paint. The type of paint that I'm using has a bit of silicone in it, I think. Okay guys, it's predominantly blue, isn't it? And we used the same amount of paints. Because we have the light blue and the dark blue. That would be the T series, and the red would be obviously PewDiePie, the red and the white. So I'm not going to torch this because my aim wasn't to get cells, although as you can see there's quite a few cells there. Just set this to the side. Seems to be a lot of red over there. Okay, PewDiePie. Sorry, but it doesn't look like you will be the winner. But it's not over yet. I hope you guys enjoyed this and found it fun. It still is quite pretty anyway, the outcome of this pour. It really is predominantly blue. So what I did use was, let's just go over those colors again. Light blue, dark blue, red, and of course the white. I hope you enjoyed this, and please come back again to watch more art on my channel. You can even visit my channel and have a look. I will actually be putting this up on both of my channels, so because it's for T series and PewDiePie. So the one channel would be, I'll leave a link actually in the description on both of my channels. My art channel is with Bade 1, and my other channel is Weird and Wonderful. Well guys, thanks for watching, and I hope it was as much fun for you as it was for me. I do see quite a bit of red popping up, although I did say the predominant blue on the outside would determine the winner. So there's not a lot of red on the outside here, but of course here, although it's predominantly blue here, there is quite a bit more blue, darker blue. So I'm just blowing on it with my mouth. Artist ear. And look at the cells popping up. I'll bring you down so that you can have a closer look. I think it's actually turned out rather pretty, even if it was just an experiment for T-Series and PewDiePie. No silicone, yet these cells. And neither did I put any pouring medium in. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time.